Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm making masala lobia channa. You guys must have noticed that I am sharing a lot of beans and dals recipes these days. Fortunately, alhamdulillah, we realized and we are adding dals and beans in a diet regularly now. So I wanted to try something different apart from our regular routine dals and beans, and I found this recipe online and I totally loved it. So let's go and make it happen. So first in a pot, heat oil and then add some cumin seeds, zira, and let them crackle for like a minute. Then I add some washed and pre-soaked masoor dal, this pink color dal, and then add enough water, like a cup, to let the dal cook. Then time to add some tomatoes. I'm using this canned tomatoes. You can use the fresh chopped tomatoes as well. Then mix everything, cover and let it cook for like 10-15 minutes until dal is started coming to its doneness. And don't worry about these black pieces. Actually, I used a fire roasted canned tomatoes, so those black pieces are from there. So just mix again and then add tomato paste in dal. This will enhance the color as well the taste of tomatoes. So mix again until those tomato paste is completely combined with the dal mixture, and then I will add channa, means pre-boiled chole. So I already had those pre-boiled chole, so I just add in my dal. Then the beans, I'm using red kidney beans. I just drained the can and rinsed the beans and add in my dal mixture. You can use the freshly boiled kidney beans as well. So mix everything until it's combined. Then add tamarind paste, imli ka ras, and a very important ingredient, salt, adrak powder or ginger powder. Then mix everything until it's fully combined, and then don't forget to add salt, but be very careful. All the canned stuff have sodium, which will make your dish salty. So just taste it before adding any salt. I didn't add more than a half teaspoon. So just cover and simmer and let it cook for like 10-15 minutes until all the seasoning and all the ingredients combine and gel together. You must have noticed we have tomatoes, tamarind, tomato paste. This dish is sour right now, but we will cut it off by adding some raw onions on top, which will make it different. So just add some green chilies right now, cover and simmer and let it cook for like 5 more minutes, and then dish it out. And when you're ready to serve this dish, then I have some chopped onions and chopped cilantro, and then I sprinkle this chopped onion all over my dish and with chopped cilantro. So when you take a bite and this chopped onion comes in your mouth, it will give the perfect balance which we need because of that sourness in the dish. Perfect vegetarian dish, something different for everyday meals or great for parties as well. Above all, lobia, channa, dal, all these are full of protein, and this dish is packed with all those healthy and yummy goodness. I serve it with homemade chapati roti, but you can have it with naan or even with rice as well. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram, and I am on Snapchat as well now. So don't forget to send me a picture, and if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.